Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make chicken hakka noodles. So let's get started. I have taken 250 grams of chicken and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to it. And then add salt as per your taste. Stir it and add 1 cup of water to it and keep it on the high flame. Boil it until it's get fully cooked. Let the chicken boil. Till then, we will cook our noodles on the other side. Take a pot, pour enough water, add a little bit of salt. And now add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Make sure the pot is big. Stir well. As the water starts boiling, gently drop the hakka noodles into the water. I have taken round about 200 grams of noodles. Our chicken is boiled. Turn off the flame and let it get at the room temperature. When our noodles is semi-cooked, strain them immediately. And pour some cold water so that it will not get sticky. Now it's time for our vegetables to be cut off. Keep this aside. Take 4 bell peppers, 1 carrot, 1 cup of cabbage, 10 to 15 garlic cloves, and lastly 3 to 4 green chilies. Chop all the vegetables. Take a pan, put 3 tablespoons of oil. As the oil gets hot, saute the garlic and chilies. If you want, you can add ginger as well. Saute it for 1 minute. Then add all the vegetables to it. Mix well and cook it for about 2 minutes. Make sure the vegetables are not fully cooked. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix all the sauces and pour it into the pan and keep stirring for 2 minutes. Mix well so that it gets all combined together. Saute it for 2 minutes or so. Then turn off the flame and add shredded chicken and mix well. You can see that I have not added the salt because the soya sauce has already lot of salt. If you want, you can add as per your taste. Now take a big pot so that we can stir the noodles well. Put some oil and gently pour all the veggies and chicken to it and immediately add boiled noodles. After 1 minute, turn off the flame and mix all the veggies and noodles well. As you can see, I am mixing it with 2 spatulas so that it can get combined better and fast. Now I am adding some more sauce because I don't want my noodles to be too dry. On the other hand, I quickly burnt a piece of coal so we can get smoky flavor to our noodles. Add little bit of salt for seasoning. Our chicken hakka noodles is ready to be served. You can see the spice portion is little much on the top on this recipe. You can cut it down if you want. Check out my other recipes as well, link in the description bar below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Enjoy your meal. Till then, Allah Hafiz.